Hey guys, welcome to the Smart Algo YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to go over the Smart Algo Pro 5-minute scalping strategy. So in this video, I'm going to use this strategy on gold, but actually you can use it on any pair, and you can even use it on other time frames. But we developed this strategy around the 5-minute time frame, and I know that a lot of you guys trade gold or XAUUSD. So for this video, I'm going to use gold. If you guys don't have access to Smart Algo, click on the first link in the description below to get access to a Smart Algo Pro indicator. So after you've attached the Smart Algo Pro indicator to your chart, you're going to hop over to the 5-minute time frame, and I have the gold chart already loaded up. So the rules of this strategy is really simple. You actually don't need any of these settings here. So I'm going to turn off the take profit. I'm going to keep the reversals because I like to see it. I'm going to keep the change of character and break of structure because it's a good visual to have. I'm going to remove the power moving average and the supply and demand. So all we basically need are the buy and sell signals. When there is a buy signal, we enter a long trade, and when there's a sell signal, we enter a short trade. We will structure the trade like this. So say for example, we have a sell signal here. We'll enter at the sell signal candle. So since we're using Heiken Ashi, we will enter at the open of the next candle because that's just how the signals are generated. Since this is a sell trade, we'll place it at the lower high. So we can either place it here or here. Personally, I would place it here because I think that this is more than enough room for the trade to breathe. So you can place it here or here. Both of these highs look good to me. I'm going to place it at the lower high here. And for the risk reward, you're going to put it at 1-to-1. So this is a really quick scalping strategy, guys. It's really quick. It's in and out of trades. We're not looking for huge risk to reward ratios like 1-to-3s, 1-to-5s, 1-to-10s. It's a really quick in and out strategy designed for intraday scalping. So you can see that this first trade hit, and now we have this second buy trade. So we would do the same. We would enter at the next candle after the buy signal has been generated, and then we would place our stop loss. So our stop loss would be somewhere here. So you see here we have our lows. We're going to place a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. And this buy trade has hit take profit as well. So next we have this sell trade. So this sell trade is the same. We have our sell signal, and then we enter at the close of the sell candle. So here I'll actually place the stop loss here since we have a high here. But once again, same logic as this trade here. I think we have more than enough wiggle room for the trade. So we can just place the stop loss around this region here and 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Boom, there we go, take profit hit. Now we have this buy trade here. I'm going to enter at the close of the buy signal candle, so at the open of the next candle here. And we have our low here. So I'll place the stop loss just around this region here, and we have a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. Boom, target hit. Now we have our sell trade. So we would enter at the close of the signal candle, and then we would place our stops around this region here. And 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. And boom, there we go. Out of these 5 trades, all 5 of them have hit take profit. So in the span of 5 days, we've hit 5R. That's a 5% week, guys, from just 5 trades. The accuracy so far has been insane. Okay, so let's move on to more examples. So we have a buy trade here. I'm going to enter the buy trade, and we're going to place the stop anywhere around this region here. Since placing it here and placing it here, there's not too much of a difference. Personally, to play it safe, I'm going to place it near the lows here. Then we're going to make the risk reward ratio 1-to-1, and boom, another trade has hit. And now for the sell trade, once again, sell signal, enter at the close. Our stop loss around the highs here, and then 1-to-1. Boom. So you can see how accurate this strategy is. So I've actually gone ahead and place a few more trades on the graph for you guys to see. These are just a few more examples. You can see this buy trade. We placed our stop loss at the low here, and this trade has hit 1-to-1. This sell trade, once again, we placed at the high here, hit 1-to-1. This buy trade hit 1-to-1. We've had a loss here, so -1R for the sell trade, and then we hit 1% again on the next trade, 1% again on the sell trade. And we have a few more examples here, so I'm going to go and enter the long position here and place the stop loss around the low here, and 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So for the sell trade here, I would actually place the stop loss either here or at this high here. A stop loss placed here might be a bit too much and it would require too big of a move, even though at the end I think it's still just about hit 1-to-1. But personally, for my own trading style, I would place it around this region here. 1-to-1 risk reward. Buy trade here. And around the lows here for the stop loss, and then 1-to-1 risk reward. Boom, it hit. So you can see how accurate this strategy is, and you're gonna get a lot of trades, guys, on the 5-minute time frame. Remember to use Heiken Ashi candlesticks with the Smart Algo Pro V2. It works best with Heiken Ashi. So I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you don't already have access to Smart Algo Pro Indicator, click on the first link in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.